before we start this video, I just realized that I didn't really have that proper intro for this video. Like, maybe you won't have any idea what's happening if you're new to my channel. I just want to do a proper intro for this video because I tried, I even vlogged during the whole process. The video that you will see after this clip is a makeup class that I conducted last August 4, 2018, which is supposedly a private event because it's going to be a long story, but I will, of course, I need to walk you through this. Meron silang group chat or group page, Facebook page, I'm not sure, but they're all aspiring flight attendants. And then there's this one time that they added me because they want to clear things out regarding the recruitment or the open day last August 11. So almost everyone, they are interested to attend my makeup class, and they wanted to learn something at least before the recruitment days. So this event was a private one, like what I mentioned from my Instagram if you've seen my post. Kaya sana yung mga huwag kayong ma-feel bad na hindi ko in-announce. I am going to conduct another makeup class due to high demand. Ang daming nagre-request na ate, sana kahit walang open day, ganyan, magpa-makeup class ka. And I'm so touched that a lot of you were requesting for another makeup class. So I decided I might do it like once in 2 months, ganon. So I'm still thinking about it. After kasi the event, parang medyo nag-ano muna ako nagpahinga ako, and I want to, relax first. And I'm so blessed that I didn't just do it by myself. Well, partly, yes, parang mas, ang dami kong nagawa na all by myself, like yung mga DIY. Well, most probably you've seen that vlog. I'll just put it below yung link nung vlog na yon, yung during the process and everything. And hindi ko na masyado na-explain dun pero I did everything from the loot bags and all. So just watch the video. Anyway, ayun nga, and I really appreciate the help of Mike's family. They've been very helpful, very supportive, as in, grabe, I super appreciate them. Thank you so much. I'm super grateful for that, especially kay Mike din, na si Mike, nakikita ko na parang napapagod na siya kasi he's not used to doing these kind of things, pero he's trying his best para pati ako, hindi ako ma-feel bad na, or para hindi ako parang hindi ako ma-stress, ganyan. Feeling ko, inaano niya ako parang ay nagiging strength ko na pag nakita niya na sa stress ako, he's the one who's telling me na okay, calm down. Napansin ko na nasa-stress ka na, ganyan. But, I'm really thankful na everything went well. Thank you guys so much again for the support. So, yeah, I think that's it for the intro. If you like this video, of course, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to be a part of my growing Hey Fam, don't forget to subscribe on my channel. Click that notification bell to be notified once I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys on my next one. ano ba? The Q Kylie. Ayan. Dito tayo may electric fan dyan.
Red.
Ayan. Oh, wala pa.
Subscribe kayo sa channel ko.
Yan.
Pagkakataon ko na mag-vlog.
Subscribe kayo sa channel niya. Sobrang talented niya. Yan. Nakita niyo naman. Oh, di ba? Di ba? Yan. The Q Kylie. Lagi ko dito yung ano niya.
Red. RHD.
RHD.
Bye!
Thank you so much for coming. Thank you so much for coming. From Laguna. Ay, malapit lang naman. Malapit lang naman sa Laguna. Ano, may natutunan ka ba? Today?
Sa susunod pa ako nang gagawa ng makeup ni Jaja. Sabi ko po natutunan today.
Thank you so much, Mio, for coming.
May i-announce ko si Jaja.
Ay, iyak ka na naman. Pangalawang beses mo na sinabi yan.
Hi, vlog. May i-announce po ako. Hindi pa ina-announce ni Janine. Ano po? Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.
Thank you!